Understanding the term newlyweds. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting and commonly used term in English, newlyweds. Whether you've heard this word in movies, read it in books, or come across it in everyday conversation, by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. So, let's get started. The term newlyweds is a compound word, meaning it is made up of two words joined together. The first part of the word is newly, which is an adverb that means recently or not long ago. The second part of the word is weds, which is a plural form of wed, a shorter version of the word wedding. A wedding is a ceremony where two people are united in marriage. So when you put these two parts together, newlyweds refers to people who have recently gotten married. Now that we know what newlyweds means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. The newlyweds looked so happy as they danced together at their wedding. In this sentence, newlyweds describes a couple that has just gotten married and is celebrating at their wedding. We bought a gift for the newlyweds to help them start their life together. Here, newlyweds refers to a recently married couple that someone is buying a gift for. In many cultures, newlyweds are often the center of attention and celebration. There are traditions, parties, and ceremonies designed to celebrate the union of the newly married couple. Understanding the term newlyweds helps in appreciating these cultural practices and participating in the joyous occasions. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the term newlyweds. We hope this video has helped clarify what this term means and how you can use it in your own conversations and writing. Remember, newlyweds refers to a couple that has recently gotten married, and it's a term full of joy and celebration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.